If you're facing problem to downloading apps or games from your app store, this 5-minute solution will show you how you can fix iPhone apps not downloading problem. So the first solution is turn off restrictions mode. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction, and disable content and privacy restrictions option from here, and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is change your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then turn off Wi-Fi and turn on cellular. That's how change your internet connection and check the problem if fixed or not. The third solution is check your iPhone storage. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and here you will see your iPhone available storage. If your storage is full, then from here offload unnecessary apps, and then go to your app store again and try to reinstall any app. And the fourth solution is sign out from your app store and sign back in. To do that, open your app store, tap on your profile photo at the top right, tap on sign out, tap on done, again tap on your profile and sign back in, and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the last solution is reset your network settings. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and check the problem if fixed or not. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.